Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. I hope you have revised everything learned in previous lesson. If you want to watch that lesson again, you can always watch that lesson by clicking the following link. Alright, now let's move towards our today's lesson. Let's learn counting further. I hope that you have already revised and learned counting from 1 to 33. Now let's learn 34 and 35 in Urdu in today's lesson. In English, it is 34 and in Urdu, 34. 34, 34. Then in English, it is 35 and in Urdu, 35. 35. 35, 35. 34, 35. 34, 35. Repeat many times for practice, okay? Alright, now let's learn to say which one in Urdu. So we ask and say in English, which one? And in Urdu it is, kaun sa wala? Kaun sa wala? Kaun sa wala? Which one? Kaun sa wala? Then in English we say this one, this one. And in Urdu, ye wala, this one, ye wala. I hope you remember how to say this in Urdu. In English it is this and in Urdu, ye. Then I hope you do remember how to say that in Urdu as well. In English, that, and in Urdu, wo. So if you say that one, then in Urdu it would be wo wala. This one, ye wala. That one, wo wala. Alright? Okay, then we say yes, this one. Yes, this one in English. And in Urdu it is ji, ye wala. Ji, ye wala. Or it could be yes, that one. And in Urdu it would be ji, wo wala. Ji, wo wala. Yes, that one. Ji, wo wala. Or yes, this one. Ji, ye wala. Alright? And then we say no, not this one. In English we say no, not this one. And in Urdu it is nahi, ye wala nahi. Nahi, ye wala nahi. No, not this one. And then if we say no, not that one, then in Urdu it would be nahi, wo wala nahi. Nahi, wo wala nahi. Let's repeat one more time. In English we say which one, and in Urdu it is kaun sa wala. Kaun sa wala. Then in English we say this one or that one, and in Urdu it is ye wala or wo wala. Then in English we say yes, this one, and in Urdu it is ji, ye wala, or it could always be yes, that one, and then in Urdu it would be ji, wo wala. Then in English we say no, not this one, and in Urdu it is nahi, ye wala nahi. Or it could be no, not that one. And then in Urdu it would be nahi, wo wala nahi. So in place of this, we will put that in English, and in place of ye, we put wo in Urdu. Alright? repeat and revise for better practice. Okay? All right. Now, I hope you do remember from your previous lesson how to say pillow in Urdu. So, pillow is takiya. So we say, this is a pillow. This is a pillow in English, and in Urdu it is ये तकिया है. ये तकिया है. Or ये एक तकिया है, because it's one pillow, so we can always use the word एक, which means one. Alright? So in Urdu it could be ये तकिया है or ये एक तकिया है. This is a pillow. ये तकिया है. Or then you say this is my pillow. In English you say this is my pillow. And in Urdu it is ये मेरा तकिया है. ये मेरा तकिया है. I hope you remember how to say my in Urdu. My is मेरा. So this is my pillow. ये मेरा तकिया है. ये मेरा तकिया है. So in place of pillow, you can take the name of anything at all. And you can say this is a dash. Or you can say this is my dash if it's your pencil, your bag, or anything at all. So you're just going to replace the name of that thing and the rest of the sentence is going to be the same. Practice a lot, alright? So here, this is the end of our today's lesson. I will see you with next lesson inshallah. Till then, do watch this lesson again, repeat many times for better practice, alright? Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.